G'day, here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. It's been wetted. Basically this is just some fun material that might cut a stone there. These are basically all offcuts. Larger pieces, like that sort of piece, hasn't got a lot of colour. Bit of potch there, possibly polish that into a pendant. It is low grade material. Little eyes of colour there. Basically this is just low grade material. Buy it, try grinding it, see if you like cutting the boulder, it's messy. And go from there. Stone there. This piece is a bit of matrix. Electric greens, just on the top there. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.